Hello guys. I just wanted to showcase my very first desktop application I coded using Python. It is an application that can take two dimensions and add or subtract them instantly. I created this application because I'm not the fastest when it comes to adding, subtracting fractions. I hated it in school and I hated it now. So I decided to make a program that allow us to do that very simple. So let's get started with the demonstration. So I have not yet found out how to make it a desktop application shortcut yet. So I'm still researching that. But for now, it is in this folder. And as that is loading, um, I created it using Takinter import, which is like a UI um, import that's for Python. And when I hit play and I run the program, this is how the UI looks. Let's close that. So basically what you would do is you would take two dimensions, right? So let's say you have a wall that's width is say 12 foot, 1 1/8, right? And you have another one that is 6 foot, 5 1/4. So when you want to add them together, what it will do is it will add both of them together, and it will also simplify it. So simplify the fraction on the end too. So when you add them together, you see you get 18 foot 6 3/8, right? So obviously it's not going to simplify because you can't simplify 3/8. But if we wanted to, let's say, simplify a fourth and a fourth, it will give you a half, right? So that's how that works. To subtract, let's say you want to subtract some of these. So say we have 10 foot 8 and 1/8, or let's do 1/2, and we have 5 foot 1, and let's say 0, just 5 foot 1. That's what happens when you add them together, which is correct. And when you want to subtract them, you get 5 foot 7.5. So that is the basics of how it works. If you have any further questions about the application, please feel free to message me on LinkedIn. And if you have anything that can make it better, please let me know. I'm just starting with my coding journey, and I just wanted to show what I have so far. So thank you guys for watching.